Cynful chicken fried steak. We're going to start off with our wet dredge. This is 2 eggs. Adding a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of soy sauce, and a little bit of mustard. We're going to whisk that all together. And that's going to be our wet dredge. Look at all that flavor. Now this one's just flour, salt, and pepper. This is the glue. This is the base one. And then this one has all of those wonderful seasonings. I'm going to prepare a rack for draining. And then we're going to salt and pepper our steaks. These are tenderized cube steaks. Now we're going to really push that flour in on the first dredge. That's our glue. So push it pretty hard, get it all in those crevices. Then into the wet dredge. And finally into the final dredge. That one we're just going to coat it. We're not going to push it very hard. And shake off the excess. Going to put it in our hot oil and we're going to fry these. That's why we call it chicken fried steak. Till they're golden brown and delicious on both sides. And remove from the oil and put on your draining rack. And let those sit while we make the gravy. We've got about a tablespoon of the oil from cooking and then about 2 tablespoons of butter. So that's 3. Equal parts flour and fat. So we're doing 3 tablespoons of the dredge, the final dredge. We're going to enforce those flavors into the gravy. And go ahead and whisk it up and cook it until it gets nice and brown. Then we're going to slowly add our liquids. And cook it until it thickens. Add some pepper. The cream gravy goes with pepper. And once it gets thick enough that you can draw a track in a spoon, your gravy's ready. But do it to what you want to do. I've got a link for a PDF file in the description, but here's your recipe anyway. I would like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for some wonderful chicken fried steak. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have an awesome day.